In this video, we'll discuss prime numbers. In the previous video, we discussed what factors are, and prime numbers are numbers with only two distinct factors, meaning 1 and itself. Now, the number 1 is not a prime number because it only has one factor, which is itself. But other prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and so forth. So look at the factors of 2. All of the numbers that can go into 2 without a remainder is 1 and 2. And in 3 it is 1 and 3. And notice we skipped the number 4 because the numbers that can go into 4 is 1, 2, and 4 itself. So 4 has 3 factors, but the prime number only has 2 distinct factors. Then next we have the number 5, and the numbers that can go into 5 is 1 and 5. And we skipped 6 because the numbers that can go into 6 is 1, 2, 3, and 6 itself. So it has more than 2 factors. So all of these values in the list, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19, only has 2 factors, 1 and itself.